Welcome. In a previous video I took a look at this collapsible sunshade and I used these in my two Subaru Outbacks and my Toyota Land Cruiser. And I'll put a link in the description to those videos. I'll also put a link to where you can get this on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So in this video I'm going to take a look at folding this up. So this is folded in half currently. So imagine I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the car. You want to put your index finger behind, kind of near the top, and your three other fingers on top. And then your thumb also goes with your index finger. And you want to pull it towards you while folding it in. So I'm pulling it forward and I'm pushing it in. And then I'm going to flip the part that's up towards my chest down. And then these are going to fold into each other like this. It can be either way. So we do that. Now we have a small circle. Okay, I'll show you that again. So, finger and thumb behind, putting it in, taking the front, turning it in, then folding these over. So you're folding these over, you're also folding the back side over. Okay? Sometimes you might need to give it a little shake, and then you can put your elastic on, like so. Okay, so if you're still having trouble, I found my kid had this disc they got that folds. It's the same action that you're doing with the big shade, but it might be easier to see since it's smaller and doesn't have the, it's not, 2 layers thick with the kind of square sides on it. So I'm going to press this down against the table while I fold. But I do the same thing. I have my 3 fingers here, one on the back. So I'm folding these 2 edges in. At the same time, I'm folding these 2 edges in the opposite way. Okay, and so you have this shape, okay, and then these are going to fold on top of each other like so, and so are these, okay. When you do that, end up with a circle, okay. Show that again. So we have this kind of shape. So if you kind of do this, if they're hitting each other, you got to actually have these overlap on both sides like so. And there you go. So maybe that helps you if the watching the bigger one didn't help you so much. Hopefully that helps. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.